Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Chapter 23, video number 3. And in our last video here, we'll determine the price of services using time and materials pricing. And in this case, time and material pricing is used to price generally services. We set a price for direct labor, direct materials, overhead, and then a target profit. So we compute our time charge in dollars per hour of direct labor. This rate is going to include non-materials overhead. So we compute materials markup, which includes the overhead cost of buying, storing, handling materials, plus a target profit margin on the materials cost. Then we estimate our direct labor hours and costs, direct materials cost, and finally the markup to get the price. That's awfully quick and dirty. Let's see how that works. Here, our direct labor rate is $40 per direct labor hour. And our non-materials related overhead is another $10 per direct labor hour. Our materials related overhead is 3% of direct materials cost, and we want to make a 22% margin on conversion and direct materials, right? So, first of all, we calculate the time charge per hour of that direct labor, add the $10 of non-materials related overhead per hour, and that gives us our total hourly conversion cost here. We then add our target profit, 22% of $50, which is $11, and that means we're going to charge our time at $61 per hour of direct labor. Then we're going to say our materials related overhead is 3%, and our target markup is 22%. So that's going to be the materials markup is going to be another 25%. So if our job is estimated to use 300 direct labor hours and 14,000 of direct materials, so our time and materials pricing is going to yield $35,800 price. How do we get that? Well, we take direct labor, 300 hours times $61 per direct labor hour. We add the $14,000 of direct materials here, and we mark that up at this 25% materials markup of $3,500. Add them all together, we get $35,800. Okay, that ends Chapter 23. And when we come back, we'll look at my favorite chapter, Chapter 24. Until that time, bye for now.